Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to place your first Instacart grocery order on an app. Let's get started. First, open the Instacart app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, start adding items to your cart. You can search for items using the search bar at the top or browse by category like fruits, vegetable, or snacks. Tap Add to Cart for everything you need. Once you have added all items, tap on the cart icon at the bottom. Here you can review your order, change quantities or remove items if needed. Next, choose whether you want delivery or pickup. Select a time that works for you. Instacart lets you choose ASAP or schedule for later. Before checking out, make sure to apply any coupons or deal. This can save your money. Finally, tap checkout, choose your payment method and confirm your order. You will get a notification when your shopper start picking your items. And that's it. You have successfully placed your first Instacart grocery order on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.